Good morning, students. Today is April the 1st, Wednesday. I'll show you a video about division first before we check our homework.
Cool marbles. Let's play. Hey, that's not fair. We're each supposed to get an equal number of marbles. How do you make equal groups? When groups are equal, they each have the same number of items. There are 6 marbles here, and there are 2 of us. So you get 1, and I get 1. Then you get 1 more, and I get 1 more. We keep splitting them up until there are no more left. There are 2 groups of 3 marbles each. So we each get 3 marbles. I can draw pictures or tally marks to help split the marbles between us. I can also make an array. How can you use arrays to make equal groups? An array is a set that shows equal groups in rows and columns. You can make arrays to help you split things equally. There are 12 cookies here, and we have to divide them equally among 3 people. We can make an array of 3 rows and 4 columns. You, me, and Grandpop each get 4 cookies. How can you skip count to make equal groups? Who wants to play a game? Let's see. There are 8 people here, including me. For this game, we need teams of 2 people. So, how many teams can we have? We can skip count or use a number line to help us find the answer. We can start at 0 and skip count by 2s until we get to 8. Or we can start at 8 and count back by 2s until we get to 0. Then we see how many times we skip counted to get the answer. I counted 4 times, so the answer is 4. That means we can have 4 teams with 2 people on each team. Arrays and skip counting can help divide items into groups, but
Let's check our homework from Tuesday and make sure you do the corrections. And the homework is on workbook page 19 to 20. So page 19. So as I said yesterday, for question 1 to 3, pretty straightforward. You simply copy the number that appeared on the top left corner of the note. And then for question number 4, we try to add up the value of the notes. So 500 plus 100, we have 600. 600 plus 20, 620 plus another 20 here, so 640, and then plus $10, 650, and then plus another $10, we have 660. So that's the answer. Question number 5, as I said, you try to divide the 2 groups of dollars and cents. So let's work on the dollars parts first. So 1,000 here plus 500 plus, so we have 1,500 and plus 100 here, we have 1,600, and we add 50 to it, so $50, so we have 1,650 plus the $2 here, so we have $1,652. And for the cents, we have 50 cents plus 20, make it 70, plus another 20 cents, so we have 90 cents here. Question number 6. One $20 notes can be exchanged for how many $5? So we need to do the skip counting for 5, 10, 15, and 20. So we have we can exchange for 4 $5 coin. And for question number 5, 5 $100 can be exchanged for how many $500 notes? So we do the skip counting for 100, so 100, 200, 300, 400, and 500. So we, for 5 $100 notes, the total value would be 500. That means we can simply exchange for one $500 note. In question number 8, we have one $50 note and one $20 note. So this add up to $70, and it can be exchanged for how many $10 coin? So we need to do the skip counting here for 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So that means we can exchange for 7 $10 coin. Question number 9. We need to add up the total value for each of the option. So for option A, I try to add up one note by one note. So here, this is the 50 for the $50 notes, and when I add up the two, I have 100. So 100 plus 50, I have 150, and then 150 plus this 50 here, I have $200. So add it up by 50, I have 250, and so on. I get the $300 in total. So that's the $300. And so I do the same for option B, and then so it's actually $50 notes for the first 4 notes. So I just do the skip counting, and then I got $200, and this one is a $100 note, so 200 plus 100, I have $300 here. And for option C, 100 plus 100, I have 200. 200 plus 50, I have 250, plus 20, I have 270, plus another 20, I have 290, plus the $10, I have 300 in total here, $300. And for option D, 50 plus 50, I have 100, 100 plus this 50 here, I have 150, and then plus the $20, I have 170, plus another $20, I have 190. Also, another $20 in total, I have $210. So right here, so that means, remember here, the total value for the 3 $100 notes is actually $300. So that means this is the only option here, option D, which cannot be exchanged for the 3 $100 notes. So the answer should be D here. Question number 10. One $1,000 notes can be exchanged for one $500 note, 3 $100 notes, and which option here? So I explained to you yesterday, one $500 note plus one $100 notes, we have $600, plus another 100, we have 700, plus another 100, we have 800. And so taking the 1,000 to minus 800, we have $200 left. So we need $200 more to exchange for this $1,000 note. So here, option B is the only answer. When we try to work on the total value for each of the options here, and B is our answer. So for the challenge problem, I explained the idea to you yesterday, so I'm not going to talk about it today. You just flip the workbook upside down. There you can see the answer on your workbook. So this provides you with 5 combinations of the 3 kinds of notes and coins to make $60. And please turn to page 5 of your textbook, 2D, question number 3. There are 15 cans of Coke. Divide them into groups of 5. How many groups are there? So once again, I want you to try this on your own first. Pause the video and I'll show you the answers in 2 seconds. So in order to divide them into groups of 5, like this is one possible answer. You can actually circle them like this as well. There are other possible ways, but a more reasonable and straightforward way would be to circle like the answer given in the textbook. So you can actually, if you circle it like this, it will be easier for you to see, especially if you have to circle more groups like on a quiz or exam. This is a more reasonable way to circle the Coke. So here, there are 3 groups in total. The first group, second group, and the third group.